Hi, welcome to your CIS 110 or 111 course here at Central Carolina Community College. We're going to start out by going into course content. The interface that we use in this course is MindTap, and so I'm going to show you a few things. So here I've clicked into Module 1, and I'm just going to go back for just a minute so you can see. So we're going into Module 1, Office 365 and Windows 10, also covering Office 2016 of that area. So when I go into this module, you'll notice that I'm coming down here to the system check. That's where you want to start out. You need to make sure that all of these items have a green check. If you notice something has a red X, then you need to take care of that. So these last two here are our most common offenders. The first one is going in and actually making sure that pop-ups are enabled. So I'm in Firefox right now, so I'm going to go in and show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker in Firefox. We're going to go to the menu and to options. So here we are under options. I'm also going to show you guys in just a few minutes how to do this in Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. So if you don't use Firefox, don't worry, just hang on for just a minute. So inside of the options, which is the gear here in Firefox, to turn off our pop-up blocker in order for MindTap to work properly, we are going to go into content. So here is content. Then we are going to make sure that under pop-ups, this box right here for block pop-up windows, we're going to make sure that it is not checked. We're going to uncheck that. Notice when I click, it checked, and then I unchecked it to make sure that pop-ups are enabled. We also want to make sure that Flash Player is up to date. That is not going to be as big of a deal with this new version of MindTap, but just in case it becomes an issue, we're going to go to our search and put in Flash Player. Here's where you can actually download your updated Flash Player. Just make sure that you uncheck those boxes in the middle so you don't get all that extra junk installed with your Flash Player. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go to Chrome. So I'm going to go and I'm going to open Google Chrome. While we're waiting for that to open, if you're really good with computers and you are able to go in and actually modify the pop-up blocker specifically for the site, you can try that. You may have issues. Okay, here in Chrome, so we're going to go up to our menu again and go to settings. In Chrome, we need to look under our advanced settings. We're going to go down there to the little blue link that says show advanced settings. And I'm just showing you what all is under here, but we're going to need to go back up under content. So scrolling back up to where it says privacy, content settings, that's going to be where you find information. You'll also see JavaScript in here. That is one of the other checks with the MindTap system check. Okay, so we need to have that first radio button there that allow pop-ups, allow sites to use pop-ups. We're going to have to make sure that's checked. If you have a personal pop-up blocker, that also needs to be turned off while you're working on this course, or it needs to be modified to work with this course. Okay, last we're going to go to Internet Explorer, which I don't even keep on my desktop. So here we are, we're opening it up, going to the gear, and going into Internet Options. Under here, we're going to go to privacy, and then uncheck that turn on pop-up blocker box. It was actually on in Internet Explorer, which is the only one of these three that I actually had on. Okay,